It's after the job. When work is done, then Strelnikov. When work is done, then have some fun. Ooh.
Igor is hard worker, and why not? He is well paid. After his job, he likes to relax with friends, then go straight home to sleep, to wake up refreshed so he can work hard the next day. Not like the decadent Uzbeks, who will never amount to much. Igor may one day be foreman.
It's after the job.